Hi guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use CMS Webflow or your content management system in Webflow. So this is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. To get started, let me introduce to you the sections. So here we have our collection, next is our item and our field. Now, to create a content in your Webflow, all you need to do is to go to your CMS or your content management system. So you just go to your left-hand panel and click on this button, wherein you can see your CMS collection. So here are the collections, or as you can see, projects is one of the collections in your current web page. You could add more to it. And then after that, you could also see the items under that specific collection that you have. So say for example, here are like different kinds of blog posts that are being added onto your web page. And the items are here located in this section where you can edit the name, the slug, the custom field, your project image, and the likes. So that is your item section, and all you need to do is to save it in order for your content to be saved. And that's how you can use your CMS in Webflow. So that's about it for today's video. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.